Are you looking for the top 5 best beach chairs for ultimate comfort? Everyone thinks the best-selling beach chairs are automatically the best ones, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Coleman Portable Camping Chair. First up is the Coleman Portable Camping Chair with a built-in 4-can cooler. Priced at $34.99, what caught my attention here is that it's not just a chair, it's a whole experience. If you want instant comfort and a way to keep your drinks cold, this is worth a serious look. The Coleman chair features a fully cushioned seat and back, which means you can lounge for hours without discomfort. It has a 4-can cooler pouch right at your fingertips, so you won't have to get up for a drink while you're soaking up the sun. With a weight capacity of 325 pounds, it's sturdy enough for most users, and its foldable design makes it easy to carry to the beach or park. This chair has been bought over 6,000 times in just the past month, signaling just how popular it is. Now, some people complained about it being a bit heavy at 7.5 pounds. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a chair that supports a bigger weight and gives you extra features like the cooler, that weight might be worth it. If you're just going for a quick trip or struggle with lifting heavier items, this might not be your best bet. This chair is perfect for you if you want comfort and convenience on your beach days. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight for a quick trip. For the price, it offers great value for a comfortable lounging experience. Now, if the weight of the Coleman bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Coleman Utopia Breeze Beach Chair. Next up is the Coleman Utopia Breeze Lightweight Beach Chair, priced at $36.99. What really stood out to me was its portability. If you want a chair that's easy to carry without sacrificing comfort, this is worth a serious look. This chair weighs just 5.3 pounds and has a compact design, making it easy to haul to the beach or your backyard. It offers a roomy 21-inch wide seat and a full backrest, allowing you to kick back and relax for hours. It even comes with a cup holder and storage pocket, so your drink and personal items are always within reach. The steel frame supports up to 300 pounds, giving you that extra peace of mind while you lounge. Now, some users mentioned that the seat sits a bit low for their liking. Here's the thing. While a low seat can be cozy for some, if you prefer a higher seat for ease of getting up, this may not be the best choice for you. This chair is perfect for you if you want lightweight comfort and easy transport. Skip this one if you prefer a higher seating position. Honestly, for its price and convenience, you're getting a solid deal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more durable build.
Product number 3. Cascade Mountain Tech Folding Camp Chair. The third chair is the Cascade Mountain Tech Folding Camp Chair, priced at $39.99. What intrigued me about this one is its versatility. If you want a chair that can handle everything from beach days to sporting events, this is worth a serious look. This chair is designed with breathable mesh fabric and cushioned armrests, which makes it comfortable for long periods. Its low profile means it sits just 5 inches off the ground, perfect for snuggling up by the campfire or the beach. Plus, it folds down to a compact size of 26 inches by 8 inches, making it super easy to transport. With a weight capacity of 250 pounds, it's sturdy, yet lightweight at under 7 pounds. Now, some customers pointed out that the low seating can be challenging for getting in and out. Here's the thing. If you're looking for a chair to lounge back and relax, the low profile might actually enhance your experience. But if you have mobility issues, you might want to consider a different option. This chair is perfect for you if you want versatility and comfort across various outdoor settings. Skip this one if you need a higher seat for easier access. For just under $40, it offers great flexibility for outdoor lovers. If you like that, then you'll definitely want to hear about my next pick, which is a great value option.
Product number 4. Joyfair Beach Camping Chair 2-pack. Coming in at number 4 is the Joyfair Beach Camping Chair, available in a 2-pack for $54.99. What caught my eye here is the durability of these chairs. If you want something that can withstand various outdoor conditions, this is worth a serious look. These chairs are constructed with heavy-duty steel pipes and a robust 600D Oxford fabric, meaning they can hold up to 250 pounds while providing a sturdy seat. They feature wide armrests and a 20-inch high back, which helps to support your back and neck for long periods. Plus, the breathable mesh keeps you cool during those hot summer days. With the included carry bag, these chairs are portable and easy to set up anywhere. Now, some users found them a bit bulky when folded. Here's the thing, while they are designed for durability, that does add a bit of weight and bulk. If you want something that's quick and easy to throw in your trunk, this may not be the best choice for you. This chair is perfect for you if you prioritize durability and comfort for long outdoor sessions. Skip this one if you need ultra-lightweight portability. Considering you're getting 2 chairs, the value here is fantastic. Now, if you're looking for something even more compact, my next option is going to blow you away.
Product number 5, Weedy Orme Lightweight Camping Chairs. Lastly, we have the Weedy Orme Lightweight Camping Chairs, priced at just $32.28 for a 2-pack. What I found compelling is their ultra-lightweight design. If you want something that's incredibly easy to transport without sacrificing comfort, this is worth a serious look. Each chair weighs only 3.6 pounds, and they fold up into a compact size that's perfect for hiking or camping. They can support up to 250 pounds thanks to the high-strength steel frame, and the ergonomic design provides back support, making them great for just about any outdoor activity. The included carry bags make them super easy to take along, and they fit nicely in car trunks or backpacks. Now, some people mentioned that the size might be too small for taller individuals. Here's the thing, if you're under 6 feet, you'll likely find these chairs quite comfy. But if you're taller, you might want to check out some larger options. This chair is perfect for you if you want lightweight, easy to carry options for day trips. Skip this one if you need a larger seating area. At this price point, you're getting a solid deal with 2 chairs that are easy to transport.
So, to recap, we have the Coleman Portable Camping Chair for comfort with a cooler, the Coleman Utopia Breeze for lightweight convenience, the Cascade Mountain Tech for versatility, the Joy Fair Beach Chairs for durability in a 2-pack, and the Weedy Orme for ultra-lightweight portability. Each of these chairs has its strengths, so choose the one that fits your beach day needs best.